guys, I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed today. I just want to come to you guys really quick with a quick tip. I love flowers. When I say I love flowers. But unfortunately, they never last outside. Like, they always make a big mess. They always dry out fast. You have to water them like every 2 to 3 days, and I don't feel like doing that. So I came to the realization I was going to get some fake flowers. One of my clients told me about it. She was like, "Do you know some of them people be having fake flowers outside?" I'm like, "Yeah, right." So I decided to get me some flake flowers. I got some right here, which looks so cute. And I also have some right here. And I have some over here. And what I did was, so you can't tell they fake, I actually put them in dirt. So that's what I'm going to do to this. I lift up the leaves and I'm about to actually put some dirt in here and watch how much realer this look versus just this green. Okay guys, so I put the dirt inside of here. Make sure you use your gloves. And now look how much more realer this look. Yeah, I made a word, realer, with the actual dirt inside of it. I'm gonna add a little bit of water to the dirt just to make it look even more real, so keep it staying there even better. Okay, I'm about to show you how it look. Okay guys, look at that. Look how real that looks. I'm gonna put her right there with her sister. And there we go, y'all. I'm telling you, you don't always have to buy real flowers, especially if you're not a type of person that want to water every day. Try you some fake flowers, okay? Don't say I didn't teach you nothing. If you done something like this, please put it below. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe for all my new videos. Bye, guys. Okay, guys, so I am at Home Goods. Just wanted to show you. It's so crazy once you get introduced to something, you just see all of it. I never even paid attention to all these fake plants. Never. Like, I am a real plant person. You guys know I am a plant lover, but for some reason, no, not for some reason, flowers is really hard to keep outside because you have to water them, like, really, be honest with you, every 2 days. But I don't be feeling like doing that. Look at this. So I'm telling you guys, get on the fake flowers because they are gorgeous. And again, I am in Home Goods. Try Home Goods, y'all.